How to save a photo to device on Lightroom app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just go to Lightroom. This is the home page as you can see. Now go to your photo. Let's say that you just finished editing your photo and now you want to save it to your device. All what you have to do is go to the top here, click on this little icon. Now click on save to device right here. After you click save to device, this photo or your photo will be saved to your device directly. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.